Naia Love Stories. Like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Hello, hi, what I say? Welcome everybody. I just have one question. Do you know how to reggae read? Reading's easy peasy when you know your ABC. You can learn to read when you reggae read with me. It don't matter if you're a big kid or if you're a little picnic. Rhyme and lime and read on time when you do the reggae read. I can read, you can read, just say what you see. You can use your phonics so you can use memory. I can read, you can read, I can read, you can read, I can read, you can read. We all can read with reggae read. I can read, you can read, I can read, you can read, I can read, you can read. We all can read with reggae read. Yay!
Welcome to Reggae Read, the show where you can learn to read through rhythm and rhyme. But excuse me. This tastes so good.
Hey, Miss Naia, what are you doing?
Hi, Maya. I'm eating ackee and saltfish.
What's ackee and saltfish?
It's a breakfast food from Jamaica made with a fruit called ackee and codfish. I'm having it with callaloo, yam, and green banana. And it is absolutely delicious.
Oh, wow. It kind of looks like egg and fish flakes.
It does, doesn't it? But ackee is a little softer than egg, although you can prepare it in the same way. Do you want to try some?
No, thank you. I'm kind of full. Plus, I don't really like egg. But Miss Naia, why are you eating ackee and saltfish at this time of the day?
Well, A is the letter of the day, so I'm eating ackee to celebrate. Do you know what sound A makes?
What I say, everybody?
Hey!
It's time for your phonics. Do you know the sounds of the letters?
Yay!
All right, sing along. A says a for ackee. B says b for breadfruit. C says k for crab. D says d for dreadlocks. E says e for egg. F says f for fish. G says g for goat. H says for hen. I says e for insect. J says j for jackfruit. K says k for kidney bean. L says for lizard. M says for mango. N says for nuts. O says O for okra. P says p for plantain. Q says qu for queen. R says for rabbit. S says for starfruit. T says for tamarind. U says for umbrella. V says for violin. W says for watermelon. X says X for ox. Y says y for yam. Z says for zebra. Yay! You did it! You ready for your speed sound?
Yay!
Let's go! A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says E, Pick up yourself.
A says ah, ah for Ackee.
Yes, that's right, Maya.
Hey, that's like my name. A starts with ah.
Yes, it does. What words can you think of that start with the letter A, making the ah sound? What foods can you think of that start with the ah sound? Ah for?
I know, avocado.
Yes. And ah for?
Oh, I know, asparagus.
Yes, it does, Ace. And ah for? Apple. Loads of things begin with the ah sound. Shall we play a game of I Spy with our letter of the day, A?
Yay!
Okay, let's go.
You ready to play a game with I and I? You may have heard of it. It's called I Spy. It's easy to learn, so don't be shy. The only thing you need is your two little eyes. It no matter if you're a girl or a guy, just look around from the floor to the sky. What can you find that catch your eye? Use the letters and sounds and give it a try. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Something beginning with
A. I spy with my little eye something beginning with A. A for ah. Can you see it? Ah. Can you see it again? A for ant. Ah. T. Ant. Brown ants. Brown crawling ants. Ants. I spy with my little eye something beginning with A. A for ah. Can you see it? Ah. Can you see it again? Alarm. Ah. Alarm. Red alarm. Red ringing alarm. Alarm. I spy with my little eye something beginning with A. A for ah. Can you see it? Ah. Can you see it again? A for apple. Apple. Green apple. Green crunching apple. Apple. I spy with my little eye something beginning with A. A for ah. Can you see it? Ah. Can you see it again? Arrow. Ah. Oh. Arrow. Golden arrow. Golden spinning arrow. Arrow. I spy with my little eye something beginning with A. A for ah. Can you see it? Ah. Can you see it again? A for atlas. Atlas. Colourful atlas. Colourful turning atlas. Atlas. I spy with my little eye something beginning with A. A
for ah. Can you see it? Ah. Can you see it again? Abacus. A b a k a s. Abacus. Bold abacus. Bold swiping abacus. Abacus.
I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Something beginning with B. B for bat. Bat. B for bug. Bug. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. Dog. F for fog. G for gum. H for ham. J for jam. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Something beginning with K. K for kid. L for lip. M for mop. M for map. N for nut. P for pet. R for rug. R for rag. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Something beginning with S. S for sun. T for top. V for van. V for vet. W for web. B for box. Y for yak. Z for zip. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Something beginning with U.
Yay! Big up yourself.
Fill in the blank. What letter is missing from this word? Axe. Let's sound it out. Axe. What sound is missing? X. The letter X. Axe. Axe. Fill in the blank. What letter is missing from this word? Ankle. Let's sound it out. N. K. L. What sound is missing? K. The letter K. N. K. L. Ankle. Fill in the blank. What letters are missing from this word? Artist. Let's sound it out. R. T. I. S. T. What sounds are missing? T and S. R. T. I. S. T. Artist. Fill in the blank. What letters are missing from this word? Africa. Let's sound it out. A. F. R. I. K. A. What sounds are missing? F and A. A. F. R. I. K. A. Africa. Fill in the blank. What letters are missing from this word? Animal. Let's sound it out. A. N. I. M. A. L. What sounds are missing? N. I. And L. A. N. I. M. A. L. Animal. Fill in the blank. What letters are missing from this word? Astronaut. Let's sound it out. A. S. T. R. O. N. O. T. What sounds are missing? S. R. And N. A. S. T. R. O. N. O. T. Astronaut. Welcome, everybody. Do you know the colors of the world?
me. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue, brown and black and white and grey. These are colours too. I know my colours, you know your colours, the colours of the world. I know my colours, you know your colours, the colours of the world. Listen with your ears, look with your eyes, and sing everything you see. I know my colours, you know your colours, so sing along with me. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue, brown and black and white and grey. These are colours too. I know my colours, you know your colours, the colours of the world. I know my colours, you know your colours, the colours of the world.
Red like a strawberry, yellow like cheese, pink like flamingos, green like peas, orange like a carrot, purple like grapes, brown like a bear with brown sticky tape, blue like the sky, white like a dove, black panther, grey elephant with a glove. I know my colours, you know your colours, the colours of the world.
Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue, brown and black and white and grey. These are colours too. Listen with your ears, look with your eyes, and sing everything you see. I know my colours, you know your colours, so sing along with me. I know my colours, you know your colours, the colours of the world. I know my colours, you know your colours.
I know my colours, you know your colours, the colours of the world. Yay! Pick up yourself.
Let's see how good you are at reading. Are you ready? Okay, what does this word say? It's R. A-R-E spells R. We are going to the shop. Okay, let's try this one. What does this word say? It's ask. A-S-K spells ask. Can I ask you a question? What does this word say? It's any. A-N-Y spells any. Do you have any questions? Okay, what does this word say? It's after. A-F-T-E-R spells after. What will you do after the adventure of the day? Okay, last one. What does this word say? It's again. A-G-A-I-N spells again. Will you come back to play again? I hope so.
Are you ready to explore? It's fun, so what do you say? It's time to discover something new. It's the adventure of the day. What is the adventure of the day? What is the adventure of the day? What is the adventure of the day? The adventure of the day is
an Ackee adventure. Let's find some Ackee. Ackee grows on trees. We pick it with a stick. Let's look inside. The Ackee must be ripe. Ripe Ackee is open. It has 3 black seeds. We need more Ackee.
Million Ackees.
We pull out the Ackee. Let's look inside. 3, 2, 1.
Ackee. Ackee, yeah.
We take out the seed
Okay.
and inside.
We twist the seed. We pull out the string. Now let's make Ackee and saltfish. We need lots of vegetables. We stir in our saltfish. Then we add the Ackee. The Ackee turns golden. Then we eat. Ackee and saltfish.
What a Saturday night. Me just want carry me Ackee go al Instead market. But not a quatty word sell. Carry me Ackee go al Instead market. Not a quatty word sell. Carry me Ackee go al Instead market. Not a quatty word sell. Oh, what a night, what a bite. What a Saturday night. Oh, what a night, what a bite. What a Saturday night. Everybody come feel up, not a quatty word sell. Everybody come feel up, not a quatty word sell. Oh, what a night, what a light, what a Saturday night. Oh, what a night, what a bite, what a Saturday night. All the picnic them a linger for with them mama no bring. All the picnic them a linger for with them mama no bring. Oh, what a night, not a bite, what a Saturday night. Oh, what a night, not a bite, what a Saturday night. Oh, what a night, what a bite, what a Saturday night. Oh, what a night, not a bite. Oh, the picnic going feed. Oh, what a night, not a bite. Oh, the picnic going feed.
Quiz time. What was our letter of the day? Was it P, T, A, or S? It was A. What animal did we see that begins with the letter A? Was it an ape, an alligator, an alpaca, or an ant? It was an ant. Which is the correct way to spell animal? Is it the first way, the second, the third, or the fourth? If you said animal, you're correct. Which fruit was in our adventure of the day? Was it an apple, an Ackee,
An apricot or an avocado? If you said Ackee, you're correct.
It's story time. Hooray, hooray. Let's grab a book and have fun today. It's time to read while we are at the sea. A flying fish, a dancing coconut tree. Clap your hands and move your feet. This little story goes on so sweet. Come and sit down, it's story time. Come make me laugh and sing it right. It's story time. It's time for a story, it's story time. What will the story be this time? In the story box, what will we find? The story for today.
Go and read your book by Naia Lewis. This story shares all of the wonderful reasons why you should go and read a book. Are you relaxed and ready to listen? Okay, let's begin. When you're lost for imagination and the excitement you are look, instead of playing with crumbs if you are twiddling your thumbs, just go and read your book. You've just come in from school now, and in the kitchen, your mommy a cook. Take off your shoes, hang your coat where you choose, and go and read your book. Your favorite TV show has finished. Nothing else can keep you on hook. No bother be idle, could even be the Bible. Just go and read a book. You've played hide and seek with your friends them. You've hidden every cranny and nook. Come inside to the place you reside and go and read your book. You finished your dance party and had fun. You've sang till you're sickety sook. Put down the mic, take some respite, and go and read your book. You're bored of computer games now, beating all the levels you could have took. Turn off the console, go down a rabbit hole, and go and read your book. You bounced out from your ball game with brother. You could have won, but at games, him a crook. No worry yourself, just go to the shelf and go and read your book. Rhyme time's done and you're still in the library. Puzzle complete of McFanny's dog Rook. Too much to explore. Before you leave the door, just go and read a book. You have to go on a long journey to see your granny in Westmoreland Brook. The roads them are crooked, you don't even want to look at. So go and read your book. You have to spend the summer in country, the only kid in the neighborhood. You fed every goat green grass for them throat. Now, go and read your book. You've built the tallest sand castles and caught all the crab and fish with your hook. Put down your spade, get in at the shade, and go and read your book. You're out to eat in a place nice and fancy. You finished your last slice of char-grilled snook. Hide under the table if you are able, and go and read your book. You know you must do your school homework on Great Explorers and Captain James Cook. If you don't know the answer, no bother be a chancer. Just go and read your book. It's cold, so the playground is empty. You slid on slides and crept through each juke. Swallow your pride sit on your backside and go and read your book. You found a tricky word in a sentence. You know you don't want to look like a mook. It's really not that scary to get a dictionary. Just go and read your book. You're getting ready for bedtime. In the dark, you feel kinda shook. Turn on your night light. Your thoughts shouldn't fight. Just go and read your book. You see, it really don't matter the occasion. There's always a reason for go look. Whether you're big or you're small, summer, spring, winter, or fall, just go and read your book. Thanks for watching Naia Love Stories. For more stories, subscribe to the YouTube channel. For support with live online learning, head to naialovestories.com and head over to Amazon for Naia Lewis storybooks. Like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends.